What's the meaning of bookbinder? Bookbinder. Bookbinder.
Bookbinder. Bookbinder. A bookbinder is a person who specializes in binding books, usually by hand, to protect and preserve the content of the book. The result of bookbinding is a completed book that is sturdy, aesthetically pleasing, and able to be stored in various ways. Bookbinders may use a variety of materials such as leather, cloth, paper, and adhesives to create covers for books, sew pages together, and add finishing touches such as gilt edges or embossed titles. The end product of bookbinding is not only functional but can also be a work of art, appreciated for both its craftsmanship and beauty.